In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in New York State 2026. Let's start by getting you to the right website because New York uses two different systems. If your ticket is handled by the Traffic Violations Bureau, you'll pay through the New York State Department of Motor Vehicles. Open your browser and go to dmv.ny.gov. If your ticket is from a local court, you'll use the New York State Unified Court System instead. Head to nycourts.gov and look for the pay a ticket or fine option. Your ticket will indicate whether it's a TVB ticket or a local court ticket, so take a quick look before you proceed. Once you're on the correct site, it's time to locate your ticket in the system. Have one of these ready, your ticket number or your driver's license number along with your name. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your ticket or license. If the portal asks for a court or location, select it from the list to narrow the search. Then click Search and wait for your case details to appear. If nothing comes up, double check that you typed the numbers and spelling correctly. Before you pay, pause for an important reminder. In New York, paying a traffic ticket is the same as pleading guilty to that offense. Once you make the payment, you won't be able to go back and fight the ticket later. This is especially strict for TVB tickets, where plea bargaining isn't allowed. If the ticket carries points, those points will be added to your driving record when you pay. Make sure you're comfortable with that outcome before moving forward. If you're ready to proceed, review the violation and the total amount due on the payment screen. Confirm that the charges match your ticket. Most portals accept credit and debit cards, and some may include a small processing fee that's added at checkout. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm the payment when prompted. After you submit your payment, save your proof right away. Download the receipt or take a clear screenshot of the confirmation page, including any reference or confirmation number. If an email receipt is offered, keep that for your records as well. This documentation can be helpful if there's ever a question about your payment posting. That's it. By choosing the correct website, finding your ticket, confirming your decision, paying securely, and saving your receipt, you can handle your New York State traffic ticket online quickly and confidently.